Hola, bienvenidos a Hot for Spanish. Aquí estamos juntos de nuevo. So welcome to Hot for Spanish. Here we are again together, and you're all going to learn some more Spanish today. And this time, you're going to learn the two verbs in Spanish that mean to be. In English, there's just one verb that means to be. And when you conjugate it, you have like I am, or you are, or he or she is, we are, you all are, they are. But in Spanish, there's two verbs that mean to be, and you use both of them completely differently. So the first verb that you'll have is the verb ser, and ser is used with origin, like where a person originated or where they came from. It's also used with physical description, like if a person is tall or short or pretty. And you can also use it with to describe a thing, also like the coffee is bitter or the donuts are sweet. That would be also something that's a thing. Also, you can use it, the verb ser, to describe character traits, like if a person is funny, or if they're intelligent, or witty, or any of those kind of adjectives. Also, you can use it with professions, like if a person's a teacher, or a nurse, or a waiter, or a lawyer. Those are professions. Also with nationalities. And also with the time. Those are the uses of ser. And the conjugation of ser, to start in the yo form, remember yo is I, you would say soy. So soy is I am, and the to form, the you informal, is eres. Eres. That would be you are. And then the usted, el, ella form, remember those three pronouns have the same conjugation. So es is the conjugation, and that can be usted es, the you formal are, or it can be el or ella es, he or she is. And then the nosotros form is somos. So nosotros somos, we are. And then the ustedes, ellos, ellas form, son. So that would be you all or they are. So when you use it, like I could ask you the first thing with origin. I would ask de donde eres. De donde is from where, and then the eres is the to form. So de donde eres, from where are you? In other words, where are you from? And you could answer soy, I am, and de is from, so soy de, and then you would put the place you're from. In my case, I would say soy de Albuquerque. I'm from Albuquerque. Albuquerque. Also, if you want to ask where your friend is from, like de donde es. De donde es, where is he or she from? Or it could be where are you formal from. If I ask you, de donde es Salma Hayek, you would say Salma Hayek es de Mexico. Or de donde es Antonio Banderas? Antonio Banderas es de España. Es español. He's a Spaniard. Used with the nationality. Also, if you want to describe, like, como es a person you probably know, a famous actor, Benicio del Toro. So what is he like? Como es Benicio del Toro? And you could say Benicio del Toro es guapo, es alto, es inteligente. Any of the adjectives that you would want to use to describe him. If it was a female, of course the adjectives, remember, must agree in gender and number. Remember, the verbs don't agree in gender, but the adjectives must agree in gender. But that's if the thing is masculine or feminine. So if I asked, como es Penelope Cruz? Or como es Salma Hayek, you could say Penelope es guapa, es inteligente, es alta. Maybe she's baja, she might be short, no sé, I don't know. But in that case, the adjective's agreeing with the gender, she being female. So you could also use it when you're talking about professions. I would say soy profesora. I'm a professor, soy profesora. And I could ask, ¿cuál es tu profesión? What is your profession? And you would say, soy, I am, and then the profession that you are. Okay, now going to, well, we'll get to the time later, because that's a totally different thing, although you do use the verb ser, but that's another lesson. Now going to the verb estar. Estar, again, means to be, but you use it with things that can change, like your location, or your moods, or your health. Things that are constant, things, that change. Ser is used more with things that are permanent, or things you can't change, like your height, and your intelligence or funniness of you, things that are inherent, there we go. But estar, let's go over that conjugation now. So estar means to be, so when you conjugate it in the yo form, estoy would be I am. The to form, estás, you are. And usted, el, ella form, está, that would be you formal are, or he or she is. And the nosotros form, estamos, we are. And the ustedes, ellos, ellas form, están, that would be you all are, or they are. So you learned that verb in the very beginning when you went over the common courtesies and greetings and goodbyes when you first see someone. And you asked, or I asked, ¿cómo estás? How are you? Now you can conjugate the verb. You can say, estoy bien, I'm happy, or I'm fine, sorry. Estoy bien, I'm fine, or estoy contenta, I'm happy. Or estoy triste, I'm sad. Espero que no. But again, the adjectives have to agree with the person or thing that they're modifying. So I would say estoy contenta, since I'm female. If you were male, you would say estoy contento, I'm happy. So you use it with location, like ¿dónde estamos? Where are we? Estamos en la clase de Hot for Spanish. We're in Hot for Spanish class. So again, both verbs mean to be, but they're used completely differently. So this ends our lesson for today. Hot for Spanish lesson 6, I believe. We're moving right along. So practice these verbs, and I'll be posting another video soon. And I wanted to dedicate this video to all our troops in Afghanistan who have been watching Hot for Spanish, and I'm happy about that. They're learning Spanish through Hot for Spanish all the way in Afghanistan. So this video is dedicated to you all, and stay safe, and we love you and support you. So until the next time, hasta la próxima. Besos. Ciao.